Today we embark on a journey towards financial freedom. This is your blueprint, inspired by millionaire mentors. Imagine for a moment a life where your decisions are not governed by the constraints of your paycheck. A life where your time is truly yours, and you can choose to spend it on what truly matters to you. This is the essence of financial freedom. It's an empowering concept, a desirable goal that many aspire to, yet only a few truly understand. Financial freedom is not amassing vast amounts of wealth. It's not about the flashy cars, the sprawling mansions, or exotic vacations. It's about the ability to sustain your chosen lifestyle without the necessity of active income. It's earning money passively so you can focus on what you love, on your passions, on your family, or simply enjoying life. It's important to clarify here the difference between being rich and being financially free. Being rich is having a lot of money, but being financially free, that's about having time. It's about having your money work for you instead of you working for your money. It's generating income even when you're not actively working. Now, this might sound like a dream, but it's a dream that can be achieved. And the key to achieving this dream lies in understanding the power of financial freedom. It's understanding how to invest wisely and how to create multiple streams of income. Before we delve deeper, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, why is financial freedom desirable? Well, because it gives you control. Control over your time, control over your life, control over your future. It allows you to live life on your terms, to pursue passions, to spend time with the people you love. It's the freedom to choose, the freedom to dream, the freedom to live. Remember, financial freedom is about your ability to sustain your lifestyle without actively working. And that, my friends, is its power. This is your journey, and this is your blueprint. Let's get started. Acquiring wealth begins in the mind. Let's uncover the millionaire mindset. To achieve financial freedom, it's crucial to understand that the journey starts within. It's not the dollars in the bank account, but the thoughts in the mind. The millionaire mindset is not exclusive to those with 7 figures in their accounts. It's an attitude, a way of thinking that can be nurtured and developed by anyone. One of the hallmarks of this mindset is long-term thinking. Millionaires know that true wealth is not built overnight. They're not interested in quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, they focus on the bigger picture, setting long-term goals and making strategic decisions that will pay off in the future. Another common trait is frugality. Yes, you heard that right. Despite the popular image of millionaires living in lavish luxury, many of the truly wealthy are surprisingly frugal. They understand the value of money and are careful about how they spend it. They invest in assets, not liabilities, and they avoid unnecessary expenses. And then, there's continuous learning. Millionaires understand that the world is constantly changing, and that to stay ahead they need to keep learning. They read books, attend seminars, take courses, and seek mentorship. They're not afraid to admit what they don't know and are always eager to expand their knowledge. Finally, they embrace failure. Yes, failure. They understand that it's not a dead end, but a stepping stone towards success. They learn from their mistakes, pick themselves up, and try again. So what does this mean for you? It means that if you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to start thinking like a millionaire. You need to adopt long-term thinking, practice frugality, commit to continuous learning, and learn to embrace failure. Remember, the millionaire mindset is thinking in a way that will get you there. And the best part? It's a mindset that anyone can cultivate regardless of the current financial situation. Cultivate this millionaire mindset, and you're already on the path to financial freedom. Now it's time to lay down your blueprint to wealth. Imagine yourself as an architect drawing the blueprint to your financial freedom. First, let's start with the foundation. Creating multiple income streams is like laying the bricks of your financial home. The more income streams you have, the stronger your foundation. This could be from a full-time job, a part-time gig, a profitable hobby, or even a small business. The next step in your blueprint is to construct the walls of your money home. This is where investing wisely comes into play. Think of investing as a tool to make your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. It might be investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even your education. The key is to diversify your investments to minimize risk. Don't forget to click the links in our description box below. Now, managing expenses is like putting a roof over your financial home, protecting it from the storms of unexpected expenses or economic downturns. It's distinguishing between your needs and wants, prioritizing your spending, and saving for the future. But what's a home without a maintenance plan? This is where financial education comes in. Continually educating yourself about finance helps you maintain and adapt to changing economic conditions. it's understanding money concepts, staying updated with economic news, and learning from the experts. Remember, this blueprint is not a one-size-fits-all. It's a guide, a starting point. It's up to you to customize it to fit your financial goals and circumstances. It might take some time and effort to build your financial home, but with patience and perseverance, you'll see it taking shape. And the beauty of this blueprint? It's not just about building wealth, it's about gaining financial freedom. It's having this freedom to make choices, the freedom to pursue your passions, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. Obstacles are part of the journey. Let's prepare to overcome them. In our quest for financial freedom, we inevitably encounter hurdles. These are not roadblocks, but opportunities for growth and learning. We'll navigate through some common financial obstacles and arm ourselves with strategies to overcome them. First, let's tackle debt, an all-too-common adversary. It's like a heavy backpack slowing our progress, but just as a hiker lightens their load, we can reduce debt. The key is prioritization. Start with high-interest debts and work your way down. Next, let's address lifestyle inflation. As our income increases, so does the temptation to upgrade our lifestyle. It's natural to want the finer things in life, but remember, every dollar spent today is a dollar less for tomorrow. So, how do we resist the allure of lifestyle inflation? By living below our means. This doesn't mean depriving ourselves, but rather making mindful spending decisions, distinguishing between wants and needs, and choosing long-term financial health over short-term gratification. Finally, we'll look at overcoming financial setbacks. Life is unpredictable, and financial setbacks can hit when we least expect them. Whether it's a job loss, an unexpected expense, or a market downturn, these setbacks can rattle us. But remember, setbacks are temporary. They're not a reflection of our ability to achieve financial freedom. It's all about resilience and adaptability. Adjust your financial plan as needed, and keep moving forward. Overcoming these obstacles isn't just about survival, it's thriving. Learning from these challenges and using them as stepping stones towards our ultimate goal, financial freedom. So, when you face these obstacles, remember, you're not alone. With the right mindset and strategies, you're well equipped to navigate through these challenges. Overcoming these obstacles, you're not just surviving, you're thriving towards financial freedom. The journey to financial freedom is a voyage that requires patience, an attribute that's often overlooked in our fast-paced society. Patience is the cornerstone of wealth creation. It's not about getting rich quick, but building sustainable wealth over time. Now, let's talk about persistence. There will be obstacles, there will be setbacks, and there will be moments of doubt. But persistence is the fuel that keeps the engine of wealth creation running. Keep going, even when the going gets tough. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. But patience and persistence alone aren't enough. They need to be coupled with continuous learning. The world of finance is ever-changing. New opportunities arise and old ones fade away. Staying informed and continuously learning will help you navigate these changes and take advantage of new avenues to grow your wealth. Embrace this journey and keep moving forward. Financial freedom is not a dream, but a reality waiting for you. It's not how fast you get there, but how you get there. So take it one step at a time, stay patient, stay persistent, and keep learning. This is your financial freedom blueprint, learning from millionaire mentors. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and join us in this journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the power is in your hands. Until next time, keep building your wealth. We believe in you.